Now, Police Constable Samuel Muchoki, renowned for his stage name Samido, is under verge of losing his job after he released a song about this government being a one-term government. Now, the fact that these musicians from Mount Kenya honored the summon by Kithure Kindiki to go to his current residence to unite the country didn't seem to please Rigathi Gachagua very much. And on one Sunday service, Rigathi Gachagua said that the musicians who went to current residence in the name of uniting Kenyans had to apologize, otherwise Kenyans should stop or would stop listening to their songs.
Hao wasanii wameenda pale kwa huyo jamaa, na huyo jamaa mikono yake imejaa damu ya Gen Z. Siku Gen Z Ruto amesema watoto wauawe, yeye ndiye alikuwa CS wa Interior, yeye ndiye alisimamia watoto wetu wakauawa. Kwa hivyo hiyo pesa mnaenda kuchukua pale iko na damu ya watoto wetu wa Gen Z. Wameenda pale wamepewa kila mtu 50,000 kuuza jamii, atu wakuje watudanganye. Wazee wameniambia namna hii, hao wasanii waombe msamaha. Wasipoomba msamaha, tuwache kusikiza nyimbo zao.
Samido, who was also chanting one term in his song in a club with the fellow Gen Zs cheering him on, was among the few musicians who were summoned upon by the deputy president at his current residence just the other day.
Thank you. Your Excellency, allow me to say all protocols observed. My name is Samuel Muchoki. Mimi ni mwanamuziki wa nyimbo za Injili na zingine. I also serve as a police officer under the National Police Service. Na kawaida yangu siongeangi sana mbele ya boss wangu. So I just say thank you for inviting us. Thank you, Your Excellency. Kwe maundu mahanikagira mundu karigago kana ni uri mutwe iaga ni makarago or two-term.
Remarks by Rigathi Gachagua made the deputy president Kithure Kindiki very angry, and Kithure Kindiki told him that people need to respect each other. Now, Sami